How do you install a HANS device? If you are curious about how to install a HANS device, you are in the right spot. This device is essential for safety in high-risk professions like race car driving. It helps protect against head and neck injuries during crashes. Let's break down the installation process step by step. First, you need to prepare your helmet for the anchor installation. Most helmets requiring anchor points for the HANS device tethers. These anchors are small posts that attach to the sides of your helmet. Start by measuring where the anchors will go. Typically, this is about 1.5 inches above the bottom rubber molding of the helmet and about 6 inches from the rear centerline. Mark these spots with a marker or masking tape. Next, drill a small hole, usually 1/4 inch, at each marked spot. Be careful not to damage the helmet padding inside. Insert the anchor posts through the holes, ensuring the large threaded washer is on the inside of the helmet. Use the supplied thread locker on the threads to secure them firmly. The pointed end of each post should face backward for proper tether alignment. Now, let's attach the HANS device to your helmet. The device uses tethers that clip onto these helmet anchors. Make sure the tethers are securely fastened to the posts. The HANS device itself rests on your shoulders and is held in place by your racing harness belts, which you wear underneath the device. It is important to fit the HANS device properly. When you are seated in your racing position with all safety harnesses tightened, the device should sit at an angle between 60 degrees and 90 degrees from horizontal. This positioning ensures it effectively restrains your head during an impact. Adjust or remove any helmet padding as needed to ensure a snug fit without discomfort. The padding is for comfort but should not interfere with the device's function. Before you finish, practice exiting your vehicle while wearing the full safety gear, including the HANS device. This ensures you can move safely and quickly if needed. Finally, double-check all screws and anchor points for tightness using the supplied tools. Confirm that the tether tabs on the helmet anchors point backward to align with the device's tethers. Test the device in your seat with all safety gear secured to ensure it stays in place and feels comfortable. In high-risk professions like logging or storm chasing, the principles of securing the head and neck to prevent injury during sudden impacts are universally valuable. While these professions may not use the HANS device specifically, similar restraint systems could theoretically reduce injury risk. Installing a HANS device requires precise helmet anchor installation, correct tether attachment, and proper fitting of the device under your harness. This ensures maximum protection in the high-risk environment of race, car driving, and other extreme activities where sudden impacts threaten head and neck safety.